Hi, and welcome to the Alaska STEAM Hub. My name is Kat, and today I'm sharing our November Cultural Activity Kit. November is Native American and Alaska Native History Month, and we wanted to acknowledge the groups of people who have been stewards of the land which we now live and work on. To be a steward is to care for and manage natural resources so that the land stays healthy for generations to come. In our world today, it's hard to think that far in the future, but we are inspired by how our ancestors cared for the spaces where they lived. In Native communities, families are closely tied to the concept of subsistence. So this month, we're going to investigate and celebrate what subsistence means to you. After doing a little researching and brainstorming, let's assemble a model of seasonal subsistence in your community. I created a 2-layer laser cut design project that, when assembled, worked kind of like a puzzle. The activities and words that I chose to use represent my local area and Dena'ina language. Yours will look a little bit different because each area, language, and family share a different story of subsistence. We can't wait to see how you choose to represent your community in this subsistence puzzle. Thanks for joining me at the Alaska STEAM Hub. For more projects, be sure to follow along, and see you next time.